This video is made possible by Squarespace. Today, I'm so excited to make over this tall, big, brown dresser, hoping that it's solid wood. I guess we'll have to find out. But it's a beautiful shape. It's very large, and a couple of the drawers don't work so well, so we're going to have to figure that out. This one's kind of sticky, and it overall is in really great condition though. So I think this is going to be a really good flip, and it's so large, I think I'll be able to sell it for a lot as well. I guess today is not the day I'll find a diamond ring or some kind of stash of money in the back of a dresser. Just as an old stink bug. They're actually invading my garage right now and house. There's several, so don't worry. That's just a stink bug. And then here are what the drawer slides are supposed to work like. And there, oh, it looks like we've got what I suspected. A few of the drawer slides are going to need some help. Today I'm using this Behr Shellac based primer. I had it laying around the garage for a while now, and it's well known on the internet for stopping bleed through. I don't think that bleed through is actually going to be a problem in today's video, but I just wanted to use up this primer. And I have this awesome $9 Oops paint from Home Depot, the Behr Paint, and I figured, hey, I've got a great primer and I'm just using this, less expensive paint. It'll be a great combination. We'll see if I need a top coat after it's all said and done. But this paint primer is really well respected on the internet, and a lot of you I know use it, and it's great for stopping bleed through when you have that situation arise. And it's very thin in consistency, and so it levels really well. Even if you're planning on doing like a sprayed finish, it levels so well that you can use the roller for your primer and then a sprayer, and it still looks like you have a sprayed on finish. I've seen many furniture artists do that particular combination. Off camera, Brad actually helped sand the top of this, and we were thinking that we could sand it to raw wood and have a nice, beautiful wood top. Even though we knew it was a veneer, we didn't realize how thin the veneer was, and it was the thinnest veneer I have ever seen in my entire life. I was shocked at how thin it was. It's solid wood in other places of the dresser, as many dressers are. There are some solid wood pieces and some veneer, but this was the thinnest veneer, and just a 120 sanding disc ate through it, and it was the thickness of like 3 pieces of paper. I couldn't even believe they could cut it that thin, but it really was. So anyway, sealing it up, that was one of the reasons why I chose to go with a oil-based primer and a primer that is so well respected, is because I had all that raw wood from the top and a particle board that I was priming, and I didn't want a water-based primer to make the particle board puff up on the top of the dresser. And so if you're wondering why I went with this primer, That is why all of this happened that way. Ooh. All right, after 2 coats of paint, I think that that'll do on the dresser, and it's time to try to fix the drawer slide. There's just one drawer slide that is not working, but I'll obviously have to replace both sides of the drawer because it's side mounted. And of course, you can't find these on the internet. It's from the dresser manufacturer. Or if you can, let me know. But I found these at Lowe's, and they were like $6 for the 2 sides that you need, and I'm really hoping it works. I really, really hope so. These are some of my favorite types of drawer slides to work with because they are so inexpensive and they just go in easily. They install easily. They're easy to move around if you kind of get the track off a little bit. But yeah, I'm really hoping this works. For the other drawer slides that were just sticky and not broken, this chain lubricant that you can buy for bicycles works really well, or you can really use kind of any dry lubricant for the drawer slides to help things along. And then I'm just using the original hardware. It's time to take a look at the before. Not too shabby, but here's the after. Absolutely beautiful. One thing is the color really looks different to me than I thought it was going to. I thought it was going to be green, and to me it looks blue now. What do you guys think? Thanks so much for watching, and thank you Squarespace for making this video possible. I am so happy. Squarespace gives people a powerful and beautiful online platform from which to create your website. Connect with your audience and generate revenue through gated, members-only content, manage your members, send email communications, and leverage audience insights, all in one easy-to-use platform. Create a community on your Squarespace website with a fully integrated commenting system that supports threaded comments, replies, and likes. Use their powerful blogging tools to categorize, share, and schedule your posts too. Extend Squarespace's already powerful e-commerce capabilities with Squarespace extensions. These new third-party tools can help you manage inventory, promote products, streamline bookkeeping, reconcile and file sales tax, and ship items across the globe. Display posts from your social profiles on your website and automatically push website content to your favorite social media channels so your followers can share it too. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/blacksheephouse to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.